Alright folks, let's talk about the TDPS-600W TDPS-600CB power supply, a replacement option for the Delta R510G7. Now, right off the bat, there's something crucial to address. The listing might be a little misleading, so pay close attention. The price you're seeing is for a single unit, not a pack of 3. Double check before you hit that order button to avoid any surprises. This power supply is designed as a compatible replacement for laptops, featuring a proprietary connector type. It boasts a 600-watt output, which should provide ample power for most systems it's intended for. However, there's a bit of a discrepancy in the listed wattage. While it's advertised as 600 watts, another specification mentions 180 watts. It's safe to assume the 600W is the peak or total power, and the 180W might refer to a specific rail or continuous power draw. Clarification from the seller is definitely recommended to clear up this confusion. Manufactured by C60, this power supply carries the UPC 7644481284020. If you're looking for a replacement for your Delta R510G7, the TDPS-600CB model is worth considering, but make sure it is compatible with your system. Always verify the connector type and voltage requirements of your laptop before purchasing any replacement power supply.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.